what about the social dimension of students in Europe? Let's have a closer look at the research results regarding their employment situation.
In the Eurostudent 5, we looked at the employment rate of students, and in doing that, we looked at the employment rate of students across countries. We looked at the motivation for working, and we also looked at the relationship between the employment activity and the field of study that the students are pursuing. Some students engage in employment because they want to fund their living. Some students engage in employment because they want to gain experience on the labor market. There are some students who work because they have free time. What is interesting is that the reasons for engaging in paid employment differs across different student groups. If you look at the time budget of older students, they spend a lot of time on paid employment opportunities. What is happening is that these students are creating special study mechanisms to balance education and work life. And here I would like to touch on the issue of funding a little bit, because we are talking about lifelong learning, and definitely the student body entering the higher education system is changing, which means that there needs to be structural changes as well to adapt to the needs of this changing student body.